Today we're talking about the ring-tailed lemur, one of the most iconic and well-known lemur species. Found exclusively on Madagascar, these primates inhabit open forests and scrubby thickets in the southern part of the island. Ring-tailed lemurs get their name from their ringed tails, which feature 13 alternating black and white or gray stripes and are 2 feet long. Fun fact, they're prosimians, not monkeys. Ring-tailed lemurs live in groups called troops, which can range from 3 to 30 members. They're territorial and defend their homes from other troops with calls and scent marking. The males have stinky scent glands which they use for both stink fighting and stink flirting, depending on the situation. During breeding season, males will even physically fight each other for female attention. These primates weigh on average 6 pounds, 2.5 kilograms, and the troops are led by females. Even the lowest-ranking female is higher-ranking than the highest-ranked male. Females stay with their birth troop for life, while males will trade troops every 2 to 5 years once they reach reproductive maturity at 3 years of age. After mating, males don't participate in raising their young. Ring-tailed lemurs gestate for 4.5 months, about the same as an anteater. While twins aren't uncommon, single babies are still more common. The baby clings to its mother's belly for its first 2 weeks of life before switching to a jockey-style position atop her back. The baby nurses for about half a year, but has a long transition period to solid food starting at 2 weeks of age. Sadly, first-time lemur moms have almost a 50% chance of losing their baby, but as they get more experienced, their babies are more likely to survive. Ring-tailed lemurs are expected to live about 15 years in the wild. Predators include fossas, civets, domestic cats, snakes, and even brown lemurs. Contrary to what may be popular conception, ring-tailed lemurs spend nearly 50% of their time on the ground, making them the most terrestrial lemurs. While on the ground, they're often seen in the sun-worshipping position, where they turn their bodies to the sun and sit with outstretched arms. This position helps them warm up before foraging. Ring-tailed lemurs eat fruits, leaves, flowers, bark, insects, and more. In a single day, they may travel over 3 miles in search of food. While moving in a troop, they hold their tails high like flags to keep the group together. Outside of foraging, they bond with each other by grooming. Like other lemurs, ring-tailed lemurs have tooth combs. Their lower incisors form a comb-like structure that they use to comb through each other's and their own fur. Thanks for tuning in. To learn something new about animals every day, please subscribe to our channel.